Okay.
You totally are making a video, aren't you? I'm just gonna jump in the background. Because I would be the one to know the words to this song. I feel like I would not have to get why dump it? You would? Dump it? Yeah. I would never. I feel like this is trampoline. I'm getting it. I'm okay. I know. This is like me, doesn't it? Me? You? Yeah. What's it? Oh no! Oh my goodness, I have a bunny with footprints. Oh! This is my favorite part of this song. What did I do with my hands? Like, oh! I think you're wiping it on my shirt. My God, I mean, oh, your pants. Yes. What's the next song? Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, Picture to Burn. I'll definitely have a text message from Devin. Okay. JK?
I think I have this on Major Zoom.
Do you really?
Yeah.
Oh, never mind.
Yeah. Nope.
Oh. Oh, I love it. What was a good song that I know?
We should just make random videos. So stop this one.